Good morning, my friends. I had come back after a long time. I was busy with my personal work. So, today I will show you that my trading strategy. You can make a lot of winning trades with the help of my strategy uh, uh, in any binary option broker. Okay, if you did not have account yet, you can go to the description link and create your account now and get some bonus too if there are any available still now. So, or you can directly go to hudson.com to sign up your account. Okay, so first I had to apply the indicators. Let's see, 15-second candles. This is Brent oil. I'm taking today's OTC market. So today is weekend. Now what I'm going to do is I had just deposited my balance. I had around 3,600 USD in my account. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to look at the market and open a trade. So you can see I had put amount here. This is the investment amount, and you need to predict this market that in the next 30 seconds this will go up or down. Okay, let's say I will say that this will go up and I open a call option, but the expiration time was too near, so I cannot open any amount. Okay, so this is the purchase line. You can see this time is decreasing. So until the candle toss this purchase line, before that moment you need to open a trade. Okay, so what you need to do is, okay, the market is going down. I think it will go more down, so I'll put option, and this is a 550 USD. So if that binary option is very easy, that if I you can see that I put a trade here as put option. That means the market should go down from this level for the next 30 seconds to win my trade. Okay, so it's win now. You can see that time is decreasing, and this is the expiration time, that if this time finish and the market is still close the down than this purchase area, then I should win this trade. Okay, yes, it was win. You can see my balance is increased now, and I think now this time I should open a put option. Okay, so you can see I open a put option, and there are many indicators. You can apply them and try them on demo account also. It's not the force to go to create an account and try with GL. It's not. And you can try first on demo account, and if you are confident, then you can go to the real one. Okay, that I am an expert trader from trading on from since 2014. That's why I am trading like this. If you are not confident, then you should not open this kinds of trades. Okay, and you can see this was also win. If you did not have account, you can go to the description link and sign up your account and get a bonus. Okay, either where are you from, no matter where are you from, you can just go to the sign up, and if you have Neteller or skilled account, that is USD account, you can directly deposit them, or if you have Visa or MasterCard, you can use them to deposit also and withdraw them instant. Okay, so I think this time also I should put a trade, that is put option. Okay, I already open a put option. Till the moment, what I want to explain is that you can see this is the 15-second candles. Every candle is a 15-second candle. Okay, so this white candle means the market was going up, and this blue candle means the market was going down on these candles. Okay, so you can see I am currently in a loss. That I had bet for put option, but the market is going up. So currently I am in loss, but we have still 25 seconds left. If before the time expires, if the market goes down, then I should win this trade. Okay, and you can see the market is going down, and okay, stay there. Still we have 10 seconds left. Okay, it's a sure win. So this is how you can make money. If you did not have account yet, you can go to the description link either, or you can go to the hudson.com and sign up your account from there. Okay, so thank you for seeing my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.